Hey y'all, let me show you this real quick. This is a look at the solar trailer. You guys have probably seen this before, but one thing you haven't seen yet is my solar powered coffee maker that just got finished. Took about 15 minutes to brew that coffee. And there it is, hooked up to the trailer. I'm not using the inverter because this is a 12 volt coffee maker. So I got my coffee mug ready, almost. I like a little bit of coffee with my cream and sugar. So let's get some coffee, shall we? Extra strong, just the way I like them. And here we have it. Some solar powered coffee. And it's hot too.